I'm from Group 4. And this is the demo video for Group Project 2, which we have implemented a console receiver for weather stations. So our team's console receiver have basically covered four main user requirements. The first requirement is the console receiver shall display the weather data from weather stations, and that's pretty straightforward. We will gonna have a Java GUI which displays the weather data. And the second requirement is we're gonna have a thing called weather station integrator that integrates all the different data from the connected weather stations, and the integrator is also responsible for connecting those data and send the updated data to the console receiver every 2.5 seconds. The third requirement is the weather station shall subscribe to the specific implemented sensor suite in order to get the new data from the sensors. So all the group in project have implemented their own sensor suites in project 1, and our group have come up with a solution that we're gonna create weather station classes for each sensor suite. So each weather station is responsible for fetching the data from a specific sensor suite. And the last requirement is the console receiver shall provide a list of combo boxes for users to select which weather stations to be integrated. So that's all for the user requirement. Let's go to see the code. So as you can see, for the user requirement 1, we're gonna build a GUI, right? And all the graphical user interface codes will be written in the wireless console.java. So as you can see, there are a bunch of labels, image icon, and panel. So for the second requirement, that we've implemented a weather integrator, right? So basically that's the weather station integrator. So it will, after it's run, the weather station can call the setState method, which gonna update the weather's data inside the weather station integrator. Then in each 2.5 seconds, the integrator will also call the update GUI method to re-render the console receiver. So in requirement 3, we've also mentioned we're gonna have a bunch of weather stations for each sensor suite, right? And this is our abstract class for the weather stations. As you can see, we have the method for update, right? And this is the weather station that our group members have implemented, and I've specifically implemented the weather station 3. And in today's demo video, I will show how does the weather station 3 data looks like in the wireless console. So let's go to the wireless console and run the program. After compiling the code, you will see the GUI will be popped up, and currently there is no data in the GUI yet because we haven't integrated any weather stations. Once I specified, we're gonna integrate weather station 3. As you can see, there is already some incoming data that's sending from the weather station 3. And our group have implemented the compass component, the graph component, and the moon phase, the bottom status bar, and the weather forecast. So that looks pretty good. And that's it for the demo video. Thanks for watching.